a stupid boulder.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
Me back is slowly breaking now. Cause I carry all the weight of the world.
So it's been a week and a half since I've recorded anything. I'm literally in the house with COVID. It's starting all over again. But I've missed my first week of my welding course. I'm back in on Monday. It's now Thursday. So I've been stuck in the house since Sunday. And I get to do another test today to see if it's negative. But yeah, I'm going to head out to the front garden and just clean up the whole side because the Aaron's Mini is coming over during the week, and that's going out the back, and we're going to get a start on the garage again. It's just been a hectic few weeks with hospital appointments with the wife. The kids are in summer camps. Excuse me. And yeah, just been busy. Last week I was in the course all week, Monday to Friday, like a full-time job, getting home, picking the kids up, making dinners. By the time I got to do anything, it was not bright out, it was dark. So yeah, we're going to get a move on this front garden, get it cleaned, and then hopefully organise the minis breaks over the next week or two. So let's go. Yeah, just moved the cars. Yeah, just moved this shit box.
Gonna stop us, they gon' do as I told them. Back is slowly breaking now. Cause I carry all the weight of the world on my shoulders. I know I'm gonna make it out.
Now that's all clean. Just time to move all the bins, put them in a proper position. Yeah, just need to get the Kango, do the last bit of this, and Dan is dropping over later with the bar that is going there with the brackets, and we can get a start on the gate. So yeah, let's get this finished up. Gonna get a skip bag and I'm gonna put all these blocks in it. I'm gonna move this engine over here, and then I'm gonna build a little shelf here for all of my cleaning gear and jet washer and stuff, just to get it out of the way. I might actually put it over here a bit, just out of the way of building this gate. So let's get all this out of the way.
A few moments later.
Got too much to lose, I got too much to gain, so the truth may be told. I hope yous all get fucked. I'm just on a little mad one. On a little mad one right now. Who's gonna stop me? No one's gonna stop me. Running through them all, these little muppets, come and get that chin check real quick. Like, how you gonna off me? I'm the fucking boss, we run this whole shit. Don't ever try cross me. End up on the floor, crease you. Really don't know what you walked into. Better watch out who you're talking to. You ain't messing with the squad if you're testing us at all. There's a 6-foot hole you can fall into. Look, you need to keep push. A fish with his mouth closed never gets hooked.
Now that's 10 times better. So I have all that area cleared now, nice and clean. I just need to move that engine. I don't actually know where to put it. I'm going to get all the blocks and put them down the end of the garden, get them into a bag, and then get rid of all the rest of the shit that's out here ready to go. And Dan is going to bring that over to me later on, and we're going to get it drilled and bolted to the wall. So yeah, I'm just going to tidy up here. It's starting to drizzle, so I'm going to put all the tools away, get everything tidied and get ready for doing that gate. So yeah, we leave it here for that. I appreciate it for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, let me know. Also, how wide is an E36 BMW? Comment below, let me know. I've no idea how wide they are. I'm hoping they're not any more than 6 or 7 foot wide, because we have a just over 7 foot of space around the side here. From here to there is 7 foot, so the Mini will go through no problem. I think the Mini is only just over 5 foot wide, but as you can see, different angle, it is pretty wide. So yeah, it's just 7 foot, should be wide enough. So yeah, that's it. Peace out, be dedicated, and subscribe to the channel to see more. We're gonna get plenty more done with the garage, hopefully this week and next week. But yeah, let's go. Looks much better. So Aaron's Mini will be over during the week, and we're going to put it out the back and get all of this finished off. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.
bottle like that and you can't take that from us. You ain't got the bottle like that when we're shotting right back. See them dropping that act and they run. Had it in the bag from the jump. Had it like that from the get-go. Baddest in the land of the dubs. Wanna trade hands then let's go. I put manners on the lads with the hood, you fuck.
I know that you fuck a look bro. You shook bro. It's written all over your mush. Them written just bitten the difference. We flip them, you're skidding. Them kicks is too slow for the clutch. You're gloating too much. We thought I was feeling you, you're the much. All them and the bunch is fake. Quasimodo had a hunch. Pull up the lads in the foul, there ain't nobody that's colder. Why are the world on me shoulders? At least that's what I told her. It's not just a boulder.
But what the fuck does that even mean?
It's a rock, pull up the bread and all the boys flock. Free me G's, A's, B's, C's. Every letter on the block. You know what I mean? Have your friends, you grown the fins. Back then said you the shit. Don't know what it means. Throwed out with the rings. Don't got none of them though. Phantom pose of Paro, Maro. Shook to the bone. Dap up a rapper, don't fuck with them though. Have your tongues and stuck to the snow. Bit of that and the gum of the go. Mad how many heads you can turn without even fucking the shoulders.